Every precise experimental result begins with flawless separation. BIOBASE Tabletop Low-Speed Centrifuge BKC-TL4P provides reliable separation for scientific research exploration. With a sleek, streamlined design, it combines fashion and durability. The innovative air duct design reduces the risk of sample overheating. The physical button control panel features simple and straightforward operation logic. The silicone sealing ring effectively prevents aerosol leakage. It is equipped with various rotors, compatible with a full range of centrifuge tubes from 0.1 ml to 100 ml. The maximum speed can reach 6,000 revolutions per minute. Equipped with a multi-alarm detection system, it continuously monitors for abnormal conditions in real time. BIOBASE Tabletop Low-Speed Centrifuge BKC-TL4P stands as a trustworthy core instrument for laboratories worldwide.